Why AI could soon replace your job sooner than you think. The rise of artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic fantasy, it's happening now. From customer service chatbots to advanced robotics, AI is rapidly becoming a driving force in industries across the globe. But what does that mean for your job? AI is designed to perform tasks faster, more efficiently, and without human error. It's already revolutionizing industries like manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and even customer service. In manufacturing, robots now handle everything from assembly lines to quality control. In healthcare, AI diagnoses conditions with greater accuracy than many doctors. Self-driving cars are already reducing the need for human drivers in transport industries. But it's not just manual labor. AI is evolving to take over knowledge-based jobs too. Financial analysts, legal researchers, and even creative professionals like writers and designers are seeing AI tools encroaching on their work. AI has the ability to process vast amounts of data in seconds. What would take a human days or weeks to analyze, AI can do in moments. This makes it an ideal tool for industries that rely on data and trends, like finance or marketing. According to research, over 30% of jobs could be automated by AI within the next 2 decades. The speed of AI development is outpacing expectations, and many jobs could be at risk much sooner than you think. So, what's driving this shift? Companies are embracing AI because it saves money, increases productivity, and eliminates human error. But as AI systems improve, it's becoming clear that no job is entirely safe from automation. So how can you prepare? Experts suggest that upskilling and gaining expertise in AI technologies, creative problem solving, and emotional intelligence could help you stay ahead of the curve. Jobs that require human connection, like therapists, teachers, and caretakers, will be harder for AI to replace. Embracing AI, rather than fearing it, could also open new opportunities. Many jobs won't disappear, they'll evolve. Instead of being replaced by AI, you might be working alongside it, using AI tools to enhance your capabilities. AI is changing the world faster than we expected. While some jobs may be at risk, with the right skills, you can thrive in this new AI-driven world. The future of work isn't about competition between man and machine. It's about collaboration. The AI revolution is here. Are you ready?